guys, it is time for your faves with your faves. It is Angie here, otherwise known as the Lean Girl. McCain has been collecting recipes for the past year, and today we have chosen one of them that I am going to be cooking. Today's recipe is a Veggie Loaded Nachos by Bushra Adams from the Western Cape. And so I'm really excited to try this one out. So let's get into the ingredients that you are going to need. Some delicious crunchy nachos, an entire range of incredible veggies, some wonderful black beans, grated mature cheddar cheese, diced brinjals. We have salt, we have pepper, we have coriander, we've got some garlic. That's pretty much it. Guys, it is gonna be that easy. So let us get started with the only thing that you really have to cook in this entire dish, and that is gonna be the veggies. We are using sweet corn, we've got some diced carrots, and then my favorite of all time, which is pumpkin. We're gonna start off with a tad of oil, and then we are gonna go in with our brinjals. Just wanna start browning these. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get our other veggies ready. And all of these are already beautifully chopped. We are gonna go ahead and add all of our veggies, which have been frozen at their freshest. To add some garlic, you basically just take the clove and then you can get a bit of your frustration out and then throw them in with your veggies, salt, pepper, paprika, until everything starts to soften. So while our veggies are almost done, we are going to prepare our guac. So very important for a guac, you need a beautiful ripe avocado. So you're going to take it out of its skin, mash it up, a good bit of salt, pepper, a little squeeze of lemon, and then everything is prepped and ready for plating. We are going to start off with our nachos. Add your black beans on, add all of your veggies. Then I do want to add one more fresh element to the dish, and this is basically like the salsa, and then I'm going to add those. Add our cheese, and then we need to melt it. So let's get the cheese melted, and then we are going to finish this off. Our cheese is melted, so we are going to add our beautiful guac to the middle. And then, guys, we are ready to go. That is good. Thank you, Bushra, for this amazing recipe. And guys, if you want more sensational McCain recipes, be sure to sign up for their newsletter where they have lots of incredible recipes, competitions, and so many other fun things. Remember guys, eating healthy, tasty food does not have to be a chore. It can be fun, it can be festive, and it can be fancy, even if you only have 5 minutes.